Hey guys, it's Mia Beauty back again with another beauty tutorial. I totally forgot to film an intro, so please bear with me, and we're kind of just going to jump start right into the tutorial. Here I'm just taking Maybelline Fit Me in shade 5 and using it as a primer for the base of our eyeshadows so that the colors are super vibrant for our look. So here I am taking the Morphe Picasso palette and picking up that yellow eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to sweep that all over my lid and up into my crease. So here I am picking up my 35B Morphe palette. This palette is literal perfection if you love color makeup looks. I'm just picking up the yellow shade in there and making the yellow that we've already done on our eyes a little bit more intense. So now for a little bit more definition, I'm still using the 35B palette and just taking a medium orange shade and pulling this all along into my crease and my outer V of my eye. So here I am still working with the 35B palette. This time I'm taking the deepest orange shade and I'm applying it to the outer V of our eyes to further accentuate and deepen the look. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Highlighter palette and I'm picking up the shade Sunshine on a flat shader brush and just packing this onto my lids to give a little bit of a shimmer and glow. And then I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just creating a simple thin wing all along my eye. I feel like I don't have to really go into depth of how to do a wing liner because there's so many videos on YouTube and tutorials on how to do it. And I feel like you guys already know how, so skipping past this part really quick. So here I am taking Tarte Tarteist mascara and just generously applying a few coats to my lashes. If you haven't tried this mascara, I suggest go picking it up from Sephora because it is amazing. Then I'm going back into my Morphe 35B and taking the white shade and using this as a brow bone and inner corner highlight. Next, I'm going in with the Mario Badescu Lavender Spray for some added and much needed moisture to my skin. Next, I'm just quickly taking Smashbox's Photo Focus Primer and just placing it in the spots that my pores are noticeably larger. I decided to be extra and take the Insta Flawless Primer by Rimmel London and place this pretty much all over my face. Next, I'm taking my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm just taking this on a damp beauty blender and blending it all over my face and layering it in a few spots where I need extra coverage. So next, I'm taking that same concealer that we used as primer and just placing it under my eyes, between my brows, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin for a highlighting effect. And then I will be blending it out with a damp beauty blender. So next I'm taking Tarte's blush in the shade Partay, and I'm taking this from my cheekbones up into where our contour is going to be. I always like to blend the two together. I just think it looks very seamless. Next, I'm just quickly taking MAC's Prep and Prime Translucent Powder and putting this under my eyes to set and also along where the contour is going to be to make sure our contour is clean and sharp. Here I'm taking Smashbox's Contour Kit and I'm taking the contour shade, which is a little bit more cool tone, and just using this to contour my cheeks. I also ended up adding the middle shade, which is more of a bronze, and here I am just swiping off our translucent powder under our eyes too, multitasking. Yes, girl. I didn't even realize I was doing that. And then of course I am blending up the hairline. Pretty much you want your contour to go in any place that the sun naturally hits. So your forehead, down your temples, your cheekbones, and don't forget your jawline, girl. You need to blend down the neck. Blend, 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 blend with the bronzer. Don't want to look orange, girl. That's a fear. Okay, I need to stop. I'm done contouring. I'm taking the lightest shade in the Smashbox contour kit and just putting it under my eyes for a more brightening, awake effect. Next, I'm taking the Dream palette again, and I'm taking the shade Regal, and we're using this as our highlighter shade. So this is going on the tops of our cheekbones, down the bridge of our nose, as well as our Cupid's bow. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite MAC lipsticks. This is in the shade Saint Germain, and I'm just going in and applying it all over my lips. I don't normally use a lip liner, to be honest, TBH. And then I'm going in with Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Rosebud, and I'm putting that on top of Saint Germain, and I feel like it just gives the perfect pink pout, girl, pink pout for this orange and yellow eye look. Next, I'm just taking that same medium orange shade and putting that on our bottom lash line to add a little bit more depth, and then we're done. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I was actually impressed with how it turned out. I'm absolutely in love with this lipstick shade. I felt super glowy and my skin didn't feel too tacky or anything, and it lasted the whole day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to me for weekly tutorials, as well as follow me on Instagram at Mia Beauty, which will be in the description below. Thank you guys once again, and take care. I hope you have a good week. Bye!